कॉपीराइट लॉ थोड़ा सा हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि अंडर वीक है थोड़ा।
कॉपी लेफ्ट हो जाना चाहिए।
हाँ नहीं ऐसा नहीं है ना, हर बार हम लोग उसको इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश करना चाहिए, ना कि हम लोग उसको छोड़ दें।
जो सर मेरा मान लीजिए लॉयर है और लॉयर ने मान लीजिए he has drafted some case pleadings for me. Now whose right it is? He is my lawyer and he has drafted his draft of lawyer जो lawyer है उसे सबमिट किया कोर्ट में। Now can he claim that it is his right or can I claim as my right?
तो उसमें अगर आपने पहले लॉयर को दिया होगा, कोई तो लेटर साइन किया होगा कि कुछ तो आपने बताया होगा कि ये मेरा वर्क ऑर्डर है कि आप उससे मेरा ये कर लो करके, कुछ तो अपना जैसा लेटर देते हैं ना हम लोग, गवर्नमेंट को लेटर देते हैं हम लोग लॉयर को कि ये मेरा काम है, आप मेरे ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ वहाँ पे करो करके, या आप प्लीडिंग करो या आप वहाँ पे जाके आर्गूमेंट करो। तो ये सब अगर हुआ है तो आप बोल सकते कि मेरा राइट है।
Draft of the lawyer is not lawyer's right, it is the individual right.
तो आपके ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ लिखता है ना, वो खुद भी नहीं लिखता है, वो ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ XYZ लिखता है।
सर मैंने एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन, मैंने एक वर्ड सुना है कॉपीराइट फॉरेंसिक, व्हाट डज इट मीन?
कॉपीराइट
फॉरेंसिक, फॉरेंसिक
सॉरी सर मैंने नहीं सुना, मतलब मैंने नहीं सुना होगा।
This is a service given by an attorney to check your copyright is infringed or not.
फिर से बताइए, इधर समझा दीजिए। This is the service given by?
Yeah, जैसा आप बोल रहे थे ना copyright आपका किसी ने infringe किया है क्या? So the copyright attorney gives this forensic service. So this is either you can get it for trademark or either you can get for patent or either you can get copyright. So this is a service. So they on behalf of you you go on searching. Your question है कि आप everyday कैसे करेंगे? So this is service given by copyright.
हाँ, इसका forensic बिल्कुल
rather a very interesting question. It's a very
as you said, national symbols are protected, government symbols.
it cannot be protected.
It's a government symbol, this Ashoka statue.
Yes.
So our lotus is a national flower. So how BJP is utilizing it as a national symbol? Because BJP तो बाद में बना है, और इंडिया फॉर्मेशन 1947 बीजेपी बाद में बना है, so it is an objectionable कि नेशनल सिंबल
उसके जो नॉन जो देने वाले सिंबल में होगा तो लिस्ट में नहीं होगा।
Election Commission is
it's a national symbol, national flower, it's a national.
somebody has to challenge.
हाँ, somebody has to
emblem है तो use नहीं करते, तो national flower should not be used.
Okay, thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you so much, sir. I would now call upon Asit Sinha, sir.
Thanks, Amita. I think I have been called just to propose a vote of thanks because the objective was to sensitize about the intellectual property right, the design, the copyright, the trademark. That is what was the objective that YMEI has organized this program. So I am grateful and thankful to Pankaj Bhotkar for coming here and enlightening us on that aspect. I am sure most of our queries have not been solved at all. So we came with a lot of queries that can't be solved in such a short time. The objective was to only sensitize all of you in terms of creating little awareness about it. And then if you got a brilliant idea, it's time that we were implemented. Although I personally believe in copyright, not in copyright. But doesn't matter. The certain patent rights are very relevant and needs to be protected for our commercial interests. After all, the entire traditional wisdom is disappearing from this world simply because of its non-patenting or non-registering. So thank you very much. The objective was predominantly to sensitize you all, and fortunately the information center is located in Nagpur. It's in Civil Lines. It is opposite this board, the Maharashtra board, just opposite that the old Indian Airlines office के बाजू में. So I think that availability of that office itself, perhaps the lack of awareness that many of us were not aware of it. Although BIA played a very crucial role in getting that institute in Nagpur. I mean, they were planning to set up in Dehradun or in Chhindwara also, but then we could get it into Nagpur, and BIA has played a very crucial role in ensuring that the institute comes to Nagpur. So that institute has come to Nagpur. It's high time that we Nagpurians, we from Vidarbha, we should take as much benefit as possible. Thanks for coming and